Your marketing is not failing because you ran out of ideas. It's failing because it runs on daily willpower. One busy morning, the posting stops, and the algorithm forgets you. Today, we're fixing that for good. An AI marketing system for BrightHome Cleaning that plans, creates, publishes, and follows up every single week on autopilot. Here's the situation. BrightHome Cleaning needs consistent marketing, but the owner has zero time to invent posts every morning. And the goal was never random content. The goal is to answer real homeowner questions, build trust, and move people toward a booking or a lead magnet. Every post should have a job. Step 1. Plan the month. Ask AI for a 4-week calendar built on real customer questions. For BrightHome, the themes are deep cleaning, maintenance tips, move-out cleans, and first-time offers. Here's the exact prompt. Create a 4-week marketing calendar for BrightHome Cleaning. Mix educational, promotional, testimonial, and behind-the-scenes posts. 30 seconds, and the month is mapped. Step 2. Create in batches. AI writes all the captions in one sitting. Then Canva turns them into branded visuals. One locked template keeps every post consistent. Same colors, same fonts, so you're never reinventing the design at 7 in the morning. Step 3. Publish automatically. Load everything into Buffer or Metricool, drop each post into a slot, and let the calendar do the daily work. That's how a small business shows up every single day without living on social media. Step 4. Follow up. A post that gets attention has to lead somewhere. A booking link, a checklist, a form. When someone downloads BrightHome's cleaning checklist, automation fires a welcome email and starts the nurture sequence. That's Mailchimp plus Zapier, working while you sleep. Now give the system a rhythm. Monday, plan. Tuesday, batch the captions and visuals. Wednesday, schedule everything. Friday, 10 minutes to review what worked. That's about 3 hours a week, and the marketing never stops moving. So stop trying to market every day. Build the system once, run it weekly. If this helped, subscribe to TecPartner. Tomorrow, we turn your inbox into an AI reply system, so email stops eating your day. See you there.